the flowers are placing. Rosie want this. Okay, so okay. I tell you, boy, I see picture there with the angel, man.
Yo, the girl, I tell you, the girl clean. Tell me, I tell you.
One problem you have to, boy, the one in the bathroom, you don't see and can't see it good.
Like the light, the gun, Rasta car, watch you know. You know, say big woman there sell some things, me know.
Right now, I'm one of the biggest fans for that, and the only fans thing, I love her still,
Right now, I can't do nothing because my phone mash up, my man, mash up that.
Boy,
you see me,
bad
so
luck,
I can't see no on the loop, me done, you see me?
Well, I don't know mad ride that there.
Yo, don't trouble them man, they youth.
You still mad man, that man.
Man, they are bad people, dog.
Bad people, yeah. Mad man, that.
Yo, my youth, don't trouble man, youth. You hear me, I tell you, my youth. What you do, my youth? Just so a man a madman, my youth, you go on like say, oh my youth, just go man, you did bad man one time, done.
Bad man,
tell me,
where?
how you mean, man, you bad man.
Tell her if you trouble me,
See when me there tell you, my youth, you see you go trouble man, my youth, you trouble my youth, you see what happen, my youth.
That is not a madman. I tell you that. Boy. Hold on, come on, cause right now I feel like one of them pop me to go check doctor. Not the angel doctor, but the real doctor.
Yeah, blessed. Yes, what I want from my viewers them now is to actually click the like button because it pump up the algorithm in the thing for sure so we do a good job. You have a lot of people who watch it and in the end them figure say them feel like and subscribe. Please, just do that for me. Please, just that me I beg you now. Just show a little support and we can continue the journey because without the little like them and little comments them, it give me the energy. You understand? And that give me the energy. You understand the interaction. Soon we're going to come with a new vibes part. We'll do a series of part. You, the viewers, go tell you what's the next move to do. So look out for that coming soon. Enough respect. Is it always a pleasure for putting on new content for you, ladies and gentlemen. Big up on yourself, man. In our own place. Bunny down.